Yo, what's good guys, it's Mikasa here again. Today I'm here with another video. Today I'll be making some Afro trap, like Raf Camora beats. So as you can see, I already dragged my sample here. I made a new loop kit, so it will be available soon for purchase, or maybe on even a membership, I'm not sure. There are a lot of loops here, about 12, 15, I don't know. So never mind. Already if you want to join our Discord channel, if you are making beats, going live. Also, I'm preparing a new giveaway, so make sure you follow that also. And make sure you join our Discord channel, of course. So, as you can see, I have, as I said, my sample here. I'll let you hear it for the first time. Driving and bouncy. I'm just going to cut this part here. Okay, I'm just going to use the first 4 bars here. Now I can start with some snares. It's really simple how this beat goes. And some snare. I'm not sure if I have here, but I think this one is really good for this. I'm just going to give it a little bit boost. And we go like this, simple like here. Oops. I'm just going to put pattern here. We are playing with 8 bars. Yeah, like this. I think I'm going also to stack the drums. It's it's good for your drums to stack the another one sounds like this. I'm just going to stack like this. And after that, I'm just going to put volume down here on this one. I'm going to use this kick. I like this one. I'm just going to right click and fill each 4 steps so we'll get this bounce. It's really that simple. Now I can use some heads, make it maybe like this. And heads, I think I only know what I'm going to play. Let me check this one. Take this one. Maybe this one too. I'll check it. Just normalize it for a little louder sound. Sounds really dope for now. I'm just finding some good 8/8. This sounds like a sub. I'll just go and make sure that it's A sharp. Okay, let's find A sharp here. Okay, as we can see, it's G major, so I'm going this here so I can stack the note here, and I can never jump out of scale. I'm just going to play some 8/8 here, something simple. Even now. Okay, I'm just going to cut itself and try again this one here. Okay, sounds really tough for now. Let me see, to add maybe some percussions here. I think I have some here. This is something like chant. Over here. Let's pitch it down. I like this way better. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to split my channel, everything, make a little bit arrange here. Maybe like this, and play, cut again this 4 bars and copy for the hook, let's say. Let's get some play notes. Okay. Hats, everything else here, and let's hear it now. I'm just setting the counter melody that I have left. Some filter or EQ, whatever. There goes like again and hook. And that's pretty much it. Really simple, really fire. Also, guys, if you want to join our membership program, there are a lot of fire stuff that every producers could have and must have, definitely, like drum packs, loop tutorials, mixing tutorials, everything here, how to get placements, marketing, everything. So that will be it, guys. I hope you like this beat. Maybe I can publish it or not, I will see. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.